Across the U.S., every year, approximately 10,000 people are seen in the ED. Here in the metro last year, the local ER saw 60 people that were injured from fireworks, and the majority of those injuries happened in people ages 14 to 17. The important things to remember with dealing with fireworks is don't alter a firework, don't experiment with homemade fireworks. If you have a dud firework, don't try to relight it. Wait 15 to 20 minutes before you go and then put that firework in a bucket of water. Make sure not to allow children to pick up any spent fireworks. They still can be active and they still can go off again, injuring children. Make sure to keep children and observers behind a barrier, out a far distance away from where you're lighting them. Have a sober designated adult to light the fireworks. Light one at a time and then move away quickly. Never hold a lit firework in your hand. A lot of the injuries happen from people who are, like relighting dead fireworks or holding them in your hand. Never point a firework at somebody else. Don't fight with fireworks. If you are to get burned, cool the area with water, not cold, not ice, for a small amount of time, and then remove all the clothing, remove the jewelry from the area, cover it with clean, dry sheets or loose bandages, and then seek medical attention. So the most severe injuries for us have usually been hand explosions, so blowing off fingers, blowing off entire hands, injuring of eyes and face. Fireworks injuries can be very disabling and disfiguring when they do occur. Most injuries happen when people have altered a firework and then try to light it and are holding it, but there certainly are injuries from normal fireworks that just happen to go awry, or there's a dud and people try to relight them. But the majority happen when people are trying to hold their firework. As human beings, we often think that it's not going to happen to us. You have to always be thinking the other way, I think, as a trauma surgeon, that yes, it's going to happen to you, and how can you reduce the risks of that happening? Sparklers will burn hotter than a blowtorch. So oftentimes parents think that that's a good thing for kids to have fun with, but remember that it's hotter than a blowtorch. And so you wouldn't let your kid pick up a blowtorch and play around with that.